right? So it is about the suspension containing diffusible solid, right? By this way we can dispense the suspension indiffusible solid, right? Suspension containing indiffusible solid. By this manner we have to dispense it, right? So afterward, our second type of suspension, that is suspension containing indiffusible solid. Suspension containing indiffusible solid, it is a are totally opposite to diffusible solid, right? In case of diffusible solid, the diffusible solid are radially dissolve, means some portion of that are dissolved and some portion does not dissolve, right? But in case of indiffusible solid, that solids are not soluble or not dissolved, right? And not remain distributed in water, right? But in case of diffusible solid means diffusible solid dissolve, some portion of it dissolve and does not dissolve but are remain in a water, or vehicle, or distributed in a vehicle or water. But in case of indiffusible solid are not soluble in water or not dissolve in water, as well as not remain distributed in a water for a sufficient time. मीन्स जो इंडिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड है वो एक तो वाटर में डिजोल्व भी नहीं होता है और वाटर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी नहीं होता है, ठीक है, वाटर में या फिर व्हीकल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होता है. लेकिन जो डिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड है वो वाटर में सोलूबल नहीं होता है, लेकिन सम टाइम के लिए वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है या फिर सस्पेंड होकर रहता है. So this is the main difference between the indiffusible solid and diffusible solid, right? So there is some example, that is means for external use of diffusible solid and internally use of indiffusible solid, right? So let's see the for external, that is calamine, zinc oxide and hydrocortisone. These are the some indiffusible solid are basically prepared for external use, right? Basically prepared for external use. And aspirin, aromatic chalk powder and sulfadimidine, right? Sulfadimidine. So these are the some example of indiffusible solid which are taken internally, right, in the form of suspension, right? So these are the examples of indiffusible solid. So let's how can we dispense it, right? How can we dispense it? Means there is a one method or then a technique by which we can dispense this kind of indiffusible solid in a suspension form, right? So by using the compound Tragacan powder. Compound Tragacan powder means whenever we going to dispense the indiffusible solid containing suspension, that time we can use the compound Tragacan powder, right, for the dispensing purpose. Without it we can dispense the indiffusible solid, right? And the basic purpose of the compound Tragacan powder is to act as a suspending agent, right? Means the indiffusible solid are not remain distributed in water, right? For the distribution of that indiffusible solid we will use the compound Tragacan powder, right? Means it act as a suspending agent, means it helps to suspend into a it helps to indiffusible solid suspended into a water or vehicle, right? That's why it's called as a suspending agent. So let's see, find to all solid ingredient and weigh it, right? Means we have to reduce the particle size or find the all solid ingredient, right? Means whatever the our solid ingredients, whether it is insoluble or soluble, right, we should find out it, right, with the help of motor or some size reduction machineries or apparatus, right? Then after the size reduction, then we should weigh it according to required quantity, means according to required quantity on the basis of the our required quantity we will weigh it, right? Then after that, mix all ingredient in mortar and add a compound Rakan powder. In second point, mix all ingredient in mortar and add compound Rakan powder. Means whatever we are find out or reduce the particle size, that ingredient we should take into a mortar, right? And need to add a compound Rakan powder, that is suspending agent, into the ingredient, and we should mix it, right? Then after making the mixture of Rakan powder and all solid ingredients, right, we should add a measured quantity of or measured amount of vehicle, right? That is 3/4 of vehicle. Means 3/4 of vehicle means our, suppose we have a 20 ml vehicle. From that we have to take a 15 ml, that is a 3/4 of vehicle. Means the 50 ml vehicle we should add into the above mixture in order to make a smooth cream, right? And after addition of measurable quantity of vehicle, we have to make a smooth cream, right, with the help of mortar and pestle, right? Then after getting the smooth cream, right, we should examine it, right? We should examine it, or we are going to examine it, right? There is a, for determining the presence of any particles, any foreign particles, right? If suppose our smooth cream or suspension contain any foreign particle, right, that time we should go for filtration. We should go for filtration, and that filtration we need to use a muslin cloth, right? Muslin cloth means by using the muslin cloth we have to filter the suspension, that is smooth cream, right? And that filtration we will done in tiered bottle. Tiered bottle means जो पहले से जिसका क्वांटिटी हमको नोन हो, या फिर नोन क्वांटिटी वाला जो बॉटल होगा 30 ml 20 ml, ठीक है, तो उसे हम टेयर्ड बोलेंगे। मीन्स उसका जो वॉल्यूम है पहले से हम लोग मेज़र करके रखेंगे, ठीक है। देन दैट filtration done in tiered bottle, right? Then after that, rinse. If there is a no found of any kind of foreign particles, that time we not need to filter, right? We not need to filter it. If in case of presence of any solid particles or foreign particles, that time we should going for filtration, right? Then after that, rinse out motor with a vehicle. Means after making or after filtration, we should rinse out the motor or pestle with the some amount of vehicle, whatever we already added, right? Then after properly rinsing the motor and pestle, that rinsing water we have to transfer into a bottle. We have to transfer into a bottle which is already containing the our suspension, right? Then after rinsing or transferring into bottle, then if there is any presence of any liquid ingredient, right? If suppose there is another liquid, means there is any kind of other liquid, that is flavoring agent, also sweetening agent, that time we should add it, right, in a preparation. Then afterward, at finally, we make a required volume with a vehicle. We produce a required volume with the vehicle. Means suppose we need to prepare we are going to prepare a 30 ml, that time finally we should make our 30 ml preparation with the help of vehicle. Means required volume then cork it, label it, and dispense it. After getting a required volume, we should cork it with a, then label it, and label should be contain the its instruction, that is shake well before use. All suspension need to state out the statement, that is shake well before use. It is a very important labeling condition for the suspension, right? And after that, after labeling, it should dispense to the patient with a regarding instruction like how to take it, then what is the doses what is the dosing frequency, right? Means all information we need to transfer them, right? So this is all about the suspension containing indiffusible solid. By this way, we should dispense the suspension containing indiffusible solid, right? I think you are understand it, right? Then our third kind of suspension containing precipitate forming liquid, right? Precipitate forming liquid means suppose we need to prepare a suspension which is with a precipitate forming liquid. Means there is a suppose one liquid, that is whenever we are going to dissolve that particular liquid, that it become a precipitate out, right? So by using this kind of precipitate forming liquid, we can dispense the in suspension form also, right? So let's see how can it is dispense out, right? So first of all, there is some introduction about the precipitate forming liquid, that is there are many liquid preparation on addition of it with the water become precipitate out. Means let's see, right? Means precipitate, whenever we are adding the precipitate forming liquid, it form a whenever we are going to add a precipitate forming liquid into a water or a vehicle, that time that liquid produce a precipitate, that's why we are called it precipitate forming liquid, right? Means this kind of solution become produce, right? Means precipitate forming liquid. Means there is a many liquid which are on addition in water or some vehicle, that time it precipitate out, right? That's why we are called it precipitate forming liquid. So there is some example of precipitate forming liquid, means compound benzoic tincture and tolu tincture, right? Tincture, you are know the tincture, that is alcoholic preparation, right? I think you are made it in your first year also. So compound benzoic tincture, then tolu tincture are the some example of precipitate forming liquid. Whenever we are adding the compound benzoic tincture into a water or other vehicle, that time it become precipitate out, right? So for preparing or dispensing this kind of precipitate forming liquid in the suspension dosage form, right, we will get a various kind of problems, right? That's why there is some method for dispensing this kind of liquid, right? So these liquid are not only insoluble but also form a indiffusible precipitate when salt are present, right? Suppose means this soluble, we know that is this soluble form of precipitate, right? Then how it form a precipitate, means this liquid forming